Hey everyone, this is Patrick from RecipeKit, and in this video I'm just going to show you quickly how you can upgrade to the new beta version of RecipeKit to check out all of the new features. Give it a test run and let me know if you find any issues or bugs or quirks so I can fix them before the general release sometime in early November. So if we head over to the settings page in RecipeKit, there's a new tab here on the right hand side that's beta testing. And if you click on this enable beta testing button here, we will be redirected to the new RecipeKit app. Here we can see the new app homepage has loaded and the standard structure has stayed the same, but we've integrated the app more closely with Shopify and Shopify's design standards. So it will look a little bit closer to what you've come to expect in the Shopify admin, but of course with RecipeKit's flair and the extra requirements that RecipeKit needs to make it easier to create recipes. So if we actually hop into one of these recipes, we can see that the recipe creation form and edit form has stayed pretty similar, but again, with some design tweaks to make it a little bit more in line with what Shopify expects. But please take a look. Let me know if there's any bugs or any quirks in here that you have gotten used to in the old or that aren't working properly in the new app, and we can hop on and fix them up so that your recipe creation process is smooth and fast. A big part of the new version of RecipeKit is the analytics feature, which you can see we now feature on the homepage here, where we give you a little bird's eye view of the last 7 days and the number of views, revenue, and engagements that your recipes have generated. If you click into the view detailed analytics, you'll see the brand new, once again, redesigned analytics page. And this gives you an amazing view of all the different stats that RecipeKit tracks across your recipes. So you've got page views, interactions, conversions, revenue performance. And then down here is a new table that shows you more or less all of your recipes with data and gives you some incredible filters so that you can check out ones that specifically are noted as high conversion, the ones that are the highest rated, which ones are most viewed, etc. And you can even deep dive in and just check out just salad recipes, for example, to see how all of your salad recipes are doing. So this is a super powerful view for you to check out how recipes are doing. And I'm really excited for you to be able to check that out, to dig into the analytics for each of your recipes now. Now, this page is still under development. We're still working on the charts, the colors, the design, and the stats. But I'd love for you to take a look and let me know what kind of information you want to see on this page, and we will add it to our feature list to work on for this new version. So once again, this is the beta version of RecipeKit, so I expect that there will be some bugs, some quirks, and once again, I'd really appreciate it if you can just reach out, send us an email, send us a note with any bugs or quirks that you find, and we'll be on it to fix them as soon as possible. Now, if you've tried it and you've come across some sort of blocking bug, you're easily able to revert back to the stable, the old version of RecipeKit by heading to the new settings page and scrolling down to the bottom and clicking this switch to stable version button. We will be redirected back to the old RecipeKit dashboard. Now, we'll keep this old website, this old dashboard available for many months to come, but we're really hoping that the new dashboard becomes the standard. And once we release that to the general public, to all Shopify stores using RecipeKit, it's really going to unlock a big chunk of brand new features that I've been really excited to release on RecipeKit for a very long time, but has required this large infrastructure upgrade to make happen. So expect around mid-November this version to be released publicly to everybody once again. And going into December in the new year, there will be a boatload of new features that you guys have been requesting and that I'm really excited to release. So once again, thank you so much for using RecipeKit, and shoot me an email if you have any questions.